Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching the video. So friends, the chart which you can see on your screen is for BP or British Petroleum PLC, and what you can see here is a long-term chart. So firstly you can find some dots here since 19 probably the chart is not clear, so I'll change it to line chart so that you can get the idea. So since 1983-84 till the high of 2005, the stock has given you 1200% odd returns, and afterwards what you can see is a sharp downfall. So you can call it as a consolidation or you can call it as a trend breakdown, but overall this has started since 1999 or 2000. So in the last 2 decades the momentum for these kind of stocks has already shifted because of supply and demand and lots of other things which are going on. And recently if you look at this stock, so there is a clear cut breakdown which you can see in this particular stock. So we are going to discuss about the long term trend of British Petroleum, and let's see what we can see here. Understand these trends, because it's long term in nature, it will take time for it to make or probably to break the trend. Okay, so if you are in a hurry, then this is not for you. Though I'm going to discuss multiple support and resistance level, but understand that because we are discussing the long term trend, so the implication will also be for long term. So here you can see the resistance level, and then you have things like this, and you have your support level like this. Okay, so this is what you can see here right now, and this is another one. Okay, and let me move to the line chart. Let's see what we can see or find right now. So if I just move to the line chart, yes, you'll find something like this. Okay, so just to remove the shadows, and probably you can draw a line like this. So this is what you can see in the particular trend. Okay, and let me tell you again, this is for long term, so understand the implications of this. So the particular stock is currently trading at 261, but near to 261 260, but your first support lies at around 250 251, and then we have 233. Understand that if it falls below 233, then there will be a breakdown. We don't know what does it leads to, but it will probably leads to below 200, or it will leads to below 100. Anything can possible. So you should understand the implications of the fall after breaking the support levels. Okay, so let's understand this first. Next, on the upside, because the swings are very high on the upside, what you need to understand that for any kind of bounce back, okay, for any kind of bounce back, what you can see here is this, that the stock can bounce back or will go probably towards 320, but the stock must sustain above 320. Okay, if it doesn't, let's say the stock will go to 320 again falls back, then it will be a problem. Okay, so for any rebound it needs to sustain above 320 321, then we can go for a target like 530, and then we have 539. And I'm just talking about the levels, and I'm not saying that it will go there. Probably stock will decide its own course of action. So, and on the higher end we have a 730. So these are the levels which you need to look at. You may find in good times that the stock will find a bounce back, and which will be a decent one. But let me tell you one thing, that will probably a trading bounce, because what we have seen, or what we can see in this chart for the last 2021 odd years, that though we have sharp bounce back on the upside, but what we can't see here is a sustainability, and the stock is going down severely on the downside. Okay, so that's what you need to look at, and that's what you need to understand here. Okay, and just understand the implications on the downside as well, because if the stock falls below 233, then it will be a very big problem for the stock. Or if you want to be more precise, so the March low, I suppose the stock moves toward this level, which is 223. So let keep this 223 as your benchmark for the downside, or a big support on the downside. But if it falls below that, then there will be big, you could say, downside, which is yet to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.